El perro G, ven pa' acá, vamos a fumar. Y fuma conmigo, dale un toque, one puff. Ven pa' acá y fuma conmigo. Ven pa' acá y fuma conmigo. All you gotta do is kick back, relax, and smoke with me. Smoke with the J. All you gotta do is kick back and light it up and take a puff with me. I promise everything will feel better. I promise all your stress will go away. I promise that you and me will fucking take a flight to Cloud9 lady. Come on and take a puff with me. Come on and roll a blunt for me. Come on, lady, don't be scared, don't be shy. What's wrong with getting a little high? With that Mary Jane, that marijuana. Girl, I know that you wanna. Don't be a tease, just come here right next to me and come take a puff with me. Y ven pa' acá y fuma conmigo. Échale un puff. Fuma, fuma, fuma conmigo. Fuma, fuma, fuma conmigo. Yeah, I fucking roll a blunt nice and fast so you could kick back. And now we're fucking riding through the city in my Cadillac. It's all fresh and clean with the rims 18 and it's shiny. All the little kids looking at us because we fucking catching the eyes, double taking all the fucking haters. Don't even wanna look because they get jealous. They just keep on going like they didn't even notice. But you know that right, they smell that marijuana when we were driving by. Come on and smoke with me, let's take a flight. Come on and fucking get shotgun, let's ride. Come on baby, do you wanna fucking puff with me? Or we should go buy a bong or go buy a fucking pen or some edibles. What do you wanna do? I don't really care as long as I'm marijuana. Ven pa' acá y fuma conmigo. Ven pa' acá y fuma conmigo.